Hey folks, welcome to TeddyTech TV. Today we're going to unbox something really exciting, something I've been waiting for a while, the Oculus Quest VR headset. Let's just jump right in. All right, well, this is a fresh unboxing. So I haven't opened this before. It's a 64 gigabyte version. There's also a 128 gigabyte version, but from everything I've read, you can fit quite a few games and even some movie files and other extraneous stuff on the 64 gigabyte version. So unless you like to keep a ton of games on there, you're not going to need the larger size. So just lift straight up. Oh wow, that's great presentation. Yeah, I've also read that there's a strong chemical smell, but I don't mind it. It's actually kind of like new car smell. Let's see. Okay, so this is the headset. Sort of a fabric outer enclosure, a plastic front faceplate. Those are the cameras. 4 cameras for inside-out tracking. I believe that's the IPD adjustment. Headphone jack, which is great because apparently the built-in speakers really aren't that good. Yeah, I mean it's smaller than I thought it was going to be. So lift that up. You've got to install this app on your phone to set it up, and there are the lenses. They're supposed to be really high-quality optics. So I look forward to testing this out and comparing it to the only other headset I've tried, which is the Vive. We got the strap. I've also read a lot about the strap and how it can be really uncomfortable unless you know how to adjust it properly. So we're going to test that out as well. And volume control. Okay, so that's the headset. Set that aside. And we have the controllers. I've only used the Vive controllers. These feel pretty comfortable. I like the feel so far. Thumbsticks feel pretty high quality. I've heard people complain that they moved the rings. The rings used to be underneath the controller, but they had to move them above the controller so that the inside-out tracking, the cameras on the actual headset could follow the, could keep track of these things. And I don't really see how that's a problem. I don't really see how it would interfere, though some people were complaining about that. They feel fairly high quality. I'm pleasantly surprised. Okay. Finally, accessories box. All right. Simple. Okay. Glasses spacer, which I'll probably be using, though there's apparently a fair amount of space inside the headset as is. Some people don't need to use the spacer. But basically, this just creates a little bit more distance between the lenses and your face, so your glasses can sit in there nicely. Charger, USB-C, and a pretty long USB-C to USB-C cable. I like the length. Pleasantly surprised by that. And okay, batteries for the controllers and an instruction manual. Oh, there we go. Batteries got excited. They want to get started, and so do I. So I'm going to be using this thing pretty extensively over the next week or two. I'd be happy to answer specific questions you guys might have or test specific things that you'd like to know about. So just drop those questions or suggestions into the comments and I'll try to get to them. I hope to have a review to you guys in the next week or two. Until then, like and subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.